Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel if you're new here. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. And if you're not, you might consider clicking on the subscribe button and dinging the bell. Today we're going to have a look at this, the Papercraft Society box number 40. And this box of goodies has been designed by the lovely Sheena Douglas. So let's have a look and see what's inside. We get a wallet and we also get some tissue paper with other products. So I'm going to focus on the wallet first. So we'll pop that out of the way. So inside the wallet, the first thing you'll see is Papercraft Society have said, don't forget to share your makes with them. Just use the hashtag. So if you like to share your makes on social media, make sure you hashtag Papercraft Society. Sheena has said to inspire, create, share and laugh. Then she has be bold, be colourful, be you. And then don't hide in the shadows, paint them. So now I see we have some stamps here. They were slipping out. I'm going to put them in here with these. So we get 3 separate areas here with products inside. I'm going to have a look first at the stamps because they're right here in front of us. And I'm going to take this because it's white and we can pop our stamps on top and you'll better be able to see. So we get lovely silhouette stamps here. We get a wonderful little forest background. We get, these to me look like alliums. I love alliums. I think they're a beautiful flower. So it's like a lovely border of alliums. We also get what looks like a field with mountains in the background and a lovely tree there and fence. There are some birds, a kite, some sun and clouds. That could also be the moon, you know, and clouds. A butterfly. We have a gull on a piece of wood. We have a lovely little ship. And that would go with this, our lovely sea scene. I love that. We have a butterfly and I think this is also a dragonfly. So there's lots in this as well as 2 sentiments, happy retirement and happy birthday. Lovely. We also get this set of stamps as well, which I love. Happy days ahead, have a very happy retirement. Good luck with pastures new. That would work really well with this one. You're the lighthouse in my storm. Shine, it's your birthday. And congratulations, it's your time to shine. So I love that. Some great sentiments on this as well as 2 on this stamp set. So here we have a card. Now, this card, let me see, is an A5 color blending chart. With this, you can create your own wheel of color using Sheena's handy guide. And you can go on to, Sheena has done a Facebook Live and she's also got some other videos out where she shows you how to use the products that come in the kit to give this color wheel to be able to use it. So this is really cool. I'm not big into painting and art and all that kind of thing. Again, this is another box that I really, if I was purchasing it as a one-off, I wouldn't buy this box because for me, I don't sit down and paint. But as a subscriber to the kit, I do like to have this box. You can pause your subscription. If you see a box that comes up and you're not really keen, you can pause that and decide, you know, oh, I don't want the next box or the next 2 boxes or whatever. And you can do that. But I do like to have them all on my shelf. All the wallets are set on my shelf and I like to have them all. So that's the reason why I got it. Plus, I really did like the stamps that came in this kit. So not only do we get that, we get these in here. These are like they're watercolor cardstock where you can practice your techniques on workable small surfaces. So you can use them both for reference with your handy book rings or as toppers on your cards. So there's lots in this for you to go through and you can practice on. I think what I would do is I would use these as like a tag on a card or on a gift, I would just pop out this piece here, the hole here, and I would have it as a tag, and on the back you could have a little note, and either that, or you could use it as a piece on a card, you know, as a topper on a card. I think that's what I'd be more inclined to do with these, as I'm not a painter. That's what I think I would do with them. So now we've looked at what comes inside the wallet. Let's have a look and see at what comes inside the actual tissue paper. So inside the tissue paper, we get a Papercraft Society booklet, and inside it shows you all the products you'll get in your box. This is the color chart that they were talking about, how to use your inks. We get 3 inks of 3 different colors in our box. We also get this. This is, and I'm reading the booklet here, guys, just to make sure I get it right. This is a painting palette, which you can mix up to 6 colors. We also get some pipettes, and we get a nice wide paintbrush. And then we get these. Let me see, what did these? These are 10 technique tags, and it says here it's your essential visual guide to coloring techniques designed by Sheena. So these all slip out of here, and then you can see here it shows you this is using kitchen cling wrap, how to apply a wash over a whole card in the same way you would to create a salt background technique. So this is wet to wet technique, wet to dry technique, direct to paper cleanup, lifting color when wet, creating aerial perspective, salt, faux bleach, kitchen sponge, and blending with glycerin. So these are all helpful techniques, these little cards, in making these, you know, and how to do it, which is brilliant. As I said, if I was any bit of an artist, I would be delighted with all these products. But as is, you know, there's some techniques that I'll probably use in my card making and maybe have a play around with. But I think this is a lovely Papercraft Society kit. Necessarily wouldn't be my cup of tea, but there are lots in this that we can use within our card making, which is always really, really good. So there you go. If you're interested in picking up a new technique, you can, you know, kind of dabble into this. As I said, Sheena has some videos out. She did a live with Craftstash UK. I'll leave links down below to those where I can. But that is it. That is what came inside this box, which is box number 40 of the Papercraft Society. So that's it. I'm going to leave it there, folks. Until my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.